Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, this is Sejal Patole from Department of Civil Engineering. Today we are going to talk about the topic details of measurement of area and volume. So let's get into this. Objectives. First, explain the basic concepts of area and volume method. Second, define the usage of area and volume calculation. Third, describe the methods that have been used in area and volume calculation. Introduction. Estimation of area and volume is basic to the most engineering schemes such as route alignment, reservoirs, construction of tunnels, etc. Area may be required in connection with the purchase or sale of land, with the division of land or with the grading of land. Earthwork volumes must be estimated to enable route alignment to be located at such lines and levels that cut and fill are balanced as far as practical. Enable contract estimates of time and cost to be made for proposed work. To form the basics of payment for work carried out. Area calculation. First, the rectilinear areas enclosed by the survey lines. Second, the irregular areas of the strips between these lines and the boundary. Area of rectilinear in surveying. The area of the field ABCDEF is the sum of the areas of the triangles and trapezia. Area of the field is equal area of 1 plus area of 2 plus area of 3 plus area of 4 plus area of 5 plus area of 6. The rectilinear areas method. Mathematical equation coordinate station traverse. Mechanical use of a plane meter. Mechanical plane meter. A plane meter is a tabletop instrument for measuring areas, usually the areas of irregular regions on a map or photograph. Mechanical plane meter. First, area is equal to root of S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. B, where S is equals to half of A plus B plus C. Area is equals to half height into width is equals to B into H, BHABC. Area is equals to half AB. Second, rectangular equation. Area is equals to A into B. Third, trapezium equation. Area is equals to half A plus B into H. By coordinates. The position or location of a point station in a plane can be described in terms of easting and northing similar to XY coordinates system. The location of point P can be given by NP, EP. Area enclosed by coordinates A, B, C, D, E is given by half Ni bracket EI plus 1 minus EI minus 1 bracket close or half EI bracket Ni plus 1 minus Ni minus 1 bracket close, where N is equal to northing of the ordinate, E is equal to easting of the ordinate. The irregular area, irregular plane surface, trapezoidal rule, mid-ordinate rule, Simpson rule. Trapezoidal rule. This rule assumes that the short length of boundary between the ordinates are straight lines so that the area is divided into a series of trapezoids. The total area is equals to D into F plus L upon 2 plus other ordinates where or is equals to D upon 2 into F plus L plus 2 other ordinates or is equals to D upon 2 into O1 plus ON plus 2 bracket O3 plus O4 plus ON minus 1 bracket close. D is equals to equal distance between ordinates. F is equals to first ordinate. L is equals to last ordinate. O1 is equal to first offset. ON is equal to last offsets. Trapezoidal rule. The total area is equal to half D bracket F plus L plus 4 bracket ES bracket close plus 2 bracket OS bracket close. A is equals to D upon 2 bracket O1 plus O6 plus 2 bracket O2 plus O3 plus O4 plus O5 bracket close. A is equals to 8 upon 2 into O plus 1.1 plus 2 bracket 1.5 plus 2.2 plus 2.0 plus 2.1 bracket close. A is equals to 66.8 m2. Mid-ordinate rule. The total area is equals to D bracket sum of mid-ordinate bracket close. Simpson rule. The most basic of these rules, called Simpson's one-third rule or just Simpson's rule, reads: if the one-third rule is applied to an equal subdivision of the integration range AB, one obtains the composite Simpson rule, where the total area is equal to one-third D bracket F plus L plus 4 bracket ES plus 2 bracket OS bracket close. D is equal to equal distance between coordinates. F is equal to first ordinate. L is equal to last ordinate. E is equal to even numbered ordinates. O is equal to odd numbered ordinates. Example formula. The total area is equals to D upon 3 bracket O1 plus O7 plus 4 bracket O2 plus O4 plus O6 bracket close plus 2 bracket O3 plus O5 bracket close. Simpson rule. Example: the total area is equals to one-third D bracket F plus L plus 4 bracket ES bracket close plus 2 bracket OS bracket close. A is equals to D upon 3 into O1 plus O6 plus 4 bracket O2 plus O4 bracket close plus 2 O3 plus O5 bracket close. A is equal to 8 upon 3 into bracket 0 plus 1.1 plus 4 bracket 1.5 plus 2.0 bracket close plus 2 bracket 2.2 plus 2.1 bracket close. A is equals to 8 upon 3 into 23.7. A is equals to 63.2 meter square. Calculation of cross-sectional areas. Cut means an excavation of the earth. Fill means the filling or raising of the original ground surface. First, sections with level across. Second, sections with cross fall. Third, cross sections of variable level or three level sections. Calculation of cross-sectional area. First, section with level across. Depth of center line or height of embankment is equal to h. Formation width is equal to b. Side width is equal to w. Area is equals to h bracket b plus m h bracket close. Section with cross walls. Area is equals to 1 upon 2 m bracket b upon 2 plus m h bracket close bracket w1 plus w2 bracket close minus b2 upon 2 bracket close.